Okay guys, this is my first ever video. We're gonna be doing what's in my baseball bag. For right now, I have 2 balls here, 2 balls down here. I got my Oakley sunglasses. They're like a goldish brown. Well, it's like a mix of gold and brown. And I also got gum in my pocket. Next, in this pocket, I don't really have anything. Just have like an arm sleeve. I'll probably add some stuff during the season. This, I got my stick of eye black. In this pocket, I have a bat weight, and also this is supposed to be in it, and it's a weighted ball to warm up with. But then I have this Marucci Cat X USA. This is my one that I use in regular games. It's a drop 11. I'm in 12U. Next, we have my U-Trip bat, and I can use in tournaments. It is the Rawlings Clout. Drop 10, 29 inches. One of my favorite bats. It hits dingers, and also it's really loud. Next, you can't really see, but we have like this. I have a clip. I carry my water bottle on it. Next, we get into my batting gloves. And I have a couple other things in here. So for this one tournament, we got these custom, these custom 716 Patriot ones, and they're brand not really used. I'm about to start my season, so yeah. Next, we have my baby blue Bruce Bolts. These are what I mostly wear. Long cuffs. They're medium. Next, we have my elbow guard. I honestly don't know what it is. It's bendable. I really like it. It's actually really amazing. Shoot, my gloves just fell. That goes in my baseball case. I do have a sliding mitt, but I don't know where it went. My brother always takes it. So, yeah, don't really know where it is. Usually there's not that many cars coming past the street, but there's a lot today. Next, we have my glove. For Christmas, I'm gonna ask for a new one. I don't really like this. It's okay. It's really dirty. It has a bunch of signatures on it. I don't really think out of like having signatures on it and also playing with it. So yeah. Next, we have my helmet. It is a Boomba. Got the Bruce Bolt sticker, number 42. Fits like a glove. I love this helmet. It's actually amazing. We have the side protector. If you don't have them, you're missing out because they save me from a lot of balls to my head. And they will save you too. We have a Boomba baseball bag too. Sorry, just putting all these in here. Hold on, guys, this is stuck. Just gonna put this in there. I'm going to be showing you, so I don't need more. So for my baseball cleats, I got Jordans, really nice. Next, got the Crocs. I feel like every baseball player's gotta have these. I can't lie. They're just so helpful in use. I can't lie. So that is all for my video. My practice and training all starts Friday. I don't know where it is. It's someplace. I don't really pay attention to it. But yeah, that's what's in my baseball bag. See you guys.